What is up, YouTube? How's it going? So you may remember a couple days back we did a unboxing and first impression of the ASUS ROG STRIX G15 laptop, and it was an exciting one. But a lot of you said that's great and all, Shapar, but how is this thing for gaming? And that's a good question. So in this video, I've actually done a pretty simple, straightforward gaming test. I've basically taken the G15, put up a bunch of mainstream games on it, put it up to the highest setting it can run them on and the second highest setting, and I've done a frame rate counter to see how it performs. If you haven't already checked out my unboxing and first impressions video of this laptop, I would advise you do that, as it'll give you a bit more context for this video. I'll leave the link in the description below. Also, if you enjoy the content on my channel, please consider subscribing. It helps me grow and keeps me motivated to provide you guys more awesome content. Thanks for watching. Let's get started.
What the hell is going on?
Manus is stuck on an upper ledge, but we have to move forward.
We'll lose a lot of men if the cliff collapses.
Right now, I'm more worried about these bloody souls being cuked out of the earth.
Right, let's keep it together. Wait, you smell that?
Sulfur.
A demon.
We can't handle it. We need to get back to the purifiers now.
The air's freezing.
Soul magic.
What the hell is going on?
Manus is stuck on an upper ledge, but we have to move forward.
We'll lose a lot of men if the cliff collapses.
Right now, I'm more worried about these bloody souls being cuked out of the earth.
Right, let's keep it together. Wait, you smell that?
Sulfur.
A demon.
We can't handle it. We need to get back to the purifiers now.
The air's freezing.
Soul magic.
What the hell happened here?
What do I know? Looking for trouble?
Hey, Italy. They'll resettle us all south of the Yaruga and bring in the Guardians to farm our land. By all the gods!
The good news bearer knows a merchant who travelled to the North Guardians. Strange findings.
Damn deer stripped the bark off the trees again.
I hope you guys found that game performance test to be meaningful. Now I am aware that the frame rate counter varied game by game. This was an intentional choice because I did not want to hinder the performance of the game, or at least minimize that. So if possible, I used the built-in frame rate counter for the various games that I was playing. For example, Doom had its own dedicated game counter, and in other cases I used the Steam counter. Once again, this was to minimize the impact on performance, to give you guys a genuine idea of how these games would perform. Now from those brief tests we did, we can make a quick analysis out of it. First and foremost, generally speaking, at high settings, the 1650 Ti on the G15 can handle most games at 1080p 60 to 50 frames per second. However, when you start pushing things to ultra high or the highest possible setting available, you start noticing frame rates drop to the mid 40s, and of course they fluctuate. Sometimes they even go above 60 frames per second depending on the scene that you're playing within the game. Now, based on the specifications I saw after I played the games, I very quickly realized the reason you're seeing dropped frames isn't so much that the 1650 Ti can't handle it, it's more so because this particular configuration has 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and for a lot of these games that's actually not enough on higher settings. The 8GB does hinder the frame rate performance quite a bit. I'm more than confident if you buy the 16GB or higher variant of this configuration, you will find that you actually get better frame rate performance in general. Also, it's worth noting that the fan was almost always at full throttle no matter which game I played, and even when I wasn't playing games, even using something like Google Chrome actually triggered the fan to constantly be spinning at a high RPM, which shows you that thermal management of the thing is good, but it consistently runs hot. So I would definitely say that that's something you want to keep in mind, especially if you are sensitive to noisy laptops. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please do consider subscribing to my channel for more quality content just like this. If you have any suggestions for products you want to see, or if you want to see more out of this product, let me know in the comment section below. I'd be happy to see what I can do for you guys. Until next time, Soul of Tech logging out.